Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to view account statement on Cash App or how to download Cash App account statement. So how you gonna do that? For this what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So first of all what you have to do, you have to simply open the Cash App, and after that you will find this kind of interface, and here you have to simply click on the profile icon, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply scroll it down until you find the option of documents here, and after that if you click on documents, then this kind of interface will be available where is written account statement. After you click on account statement, then you will find the option of month and year, and you have to simply select the range in which you want to download the account statement. After that you have to click on that, and your account statement will be ready to download, and you can simply view your account statement on Cash App. In this way you can simply see your account statement on any month or any year uh, without any problem. Hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.